Hi guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. What we're going to be doing today is another fall DIY. I found this printable for $3.99 on Etsy, and it's a pumpkin pie recipe, and I want to put it on top of this wooden pumpkin that I picked up at Target's Dollar Spot about a week or two ago, and I paid $5 for the pumpkin, and it's a very large flat pumpkin that you can hang on the wall or set up. So that's what we're going to do today. Now, if you don't have a Cricut, I hate for you to leave, but I would love it if you'd watch. But if you don't, just know that I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday, for another Dollar Tree DIY. And this one, I think, is going to be a whimsical Halloween one. So I already have Design Space loaded here on my computer, and I'm going to New Project, the circle with the plus, and I'm going to click on that. That will put us on our canvas. And then I'm just going to go to Uploaded right here on the bottom, and this is the one I uploaded. I think it's so cute, and it puts a green box around it. And then I'm going to the right bottom corner, Insert Images, and click on that. Now it's going to come in very large, and this is a very farmhouse little recipe. I think it's so pretty. I love all the little drawings that are on here. So, and I will put a link to this printable in the description box below if you're interested. Okay, so what I want to do is go up here out from size, and I'm going to unlock it, and I'm going to put this 6.75 by 9.25 high, okay? And then just lock that back, and you'll see over here in the layers column, it's a cut then print. And that's all you have to do. I mean, you don't have to do anything else. So we're going to go to Make It, right top corner. This is so easy. And I'm going to be using the Silhouette clear sticker paper for this. Now, if you don't have a Cricut, you could print these out on these Avery sticker sheets and put it in a picture frame, and you could still use this, all right? So now we're going to go to Continue, right bottom corner. Okay, and I've already printed this one. If I hadn't, I would send it to the printer and leave the bleed on. Okay, so if you've already printed, right here on the right it says I've already printed, and you click on that. Now I'm going to be using the printable sticker paper that's clear, and I've already made this a favorite by starring it. If you haven't, then you would just browse all materials right here and then type in printable sticker paper. Okay, so I'm going to select that. For my pressure, I'm going to add more, and the next time you see me, we will be cutting out this adorable recipe. Okay, here's my pumpkin that I picked up at Target's Dollar Spot. It's very thick and very heavy. It was $5, and you can hang it. I thought it was so pretty. I'm not even going to paint it. And then I'm using my standard grit mat and this Silhouette clear sticker paper, and I always write myself a little note on the top, because sometimes I cannot remember, as long as I've been doing this, that when I load it in my printer, I load it with the dull side up. Okay, and I just get it at Michael's. You can get it online, and this is our beautiful little recipe that would be beautiful, like I said, in a picture frame. Okay, so all I have to do is just put this right on here, and then just insert this with the blinking arrow, and then cut with the blinking C. So just as soon as it gets this finished, because you've seen this so many times, I'll be back. Okay, it's all cut out, so all we have to do is just peel this off. And then to weed this, it's so simple. You just start peeling it back. You could do this on the white vinyl if you wanted, but I wanted to do it on just this clear sticker paper. And like I said, you could use the clear Avery sticker sheets if you wanted, but this is what we're getting. And I'm just going to put this right on here. Just like that. That is so pretty. And then all I'm going to do is just basically just put this down. It is so pretty, and it looks like that it was actually put into the wood. That's why I wanted to do it like this. Okay, let's take a look at it. Well, here it is. I love it. It is so pretty. And with that clear sticker paper, it just looks like it was put onto that wood. It is so fall, so festive, and you have a little pumpkin recipe that you can hang on your wall or set somewhere. I love it. It is such a simple little DIY to make, but if you would see this out in a store, you'd pay a lot of money for it. You'll just have to ignore my craft room. It is beyond a mess. That's all I can tell you. It desperately needs cleaned, but between the hurricane that we had and everything that's been going on, we bought a dehumidifier, so thank you for suggesting that. I don't know why I didn't think of it, and it's really making a big difference. It's almost totally to where it doesn't really have an odor now, but we were running it to make sure. But it's been a lot of work. And I need to start decorating for fall. I'm so behind. Oh my gosh. And this fall and Christmas are my favorite time. So I've got to get a grip and get moving. But I hope you enjoyed this. It is so pretty and a wonderful little sweet, easy DIY that you can make with your Cricut. And if you don't, you can put this in a picture frame and it would be beautiful. So I will see you tomorrow for a Dollar Tree DIY, and this time it's going to be involving a whimsical Halloween DIY. I'm so excited to do this. I think we're going to have so much fun working on it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So until next time, bye guys.